Well, hey guys, we just completed our very first beehive check. We were looking for brood, right? Larva.
First, we were making sure we had bees.
Yes. We wanted to make sure they didn't leave us.
You know, like when you get first animals on the ranch or the farm or homestead, you check on them every 20 minutes. Well, we were told not to do that with bees.
Yeah, leave them alone for a week. So we left them alone for a week and we just checked them for the first time. I mean, I went over there and looked and I could hear them like buzzing inside, but I didn't like open it or whatever. So just let it go. We opened them up. We checked the frames. We saw lots of beautiful capped honey, and we were mainly checking for brood, baby larvae, and we did find a whole bunch. So we know that they're the queen. We know that the queen is in there. We didn't see the queen, which was totally fine. We know she's in there because we have larvae. So let's do this. Okay. Oh, what? What did you do?
All right, get this out.
Get that up? Okay. We are looking for babies, the queen laying eggs. Wow. You can see it's already connected right there.
Yeah.
Do you want the,
Grabber, yeah.
here's the grabber, and then here's this.
I'll go ahead and put that on so.
You get it?
More smoke.
Oh, more smoke. You want me to grab it?
No, okay.
Okay.
Trying.
Oh, the one side doesn't have it.
I know.
Okay.
Got it.
Yep.
Got the camera.
Oh. Here is our bee frames. Look at them all. Just looks like capped honey on this side. Not seeing any
That's
babies.
the outside, so the outside always has kept honey, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I know, I'm just trying to figure out which way I put it on. I forgot to zip up.
Oh, this is heavy. Look at all that honey. Got it?
Yep.
Now let's look at it.
It's just capped honey. Are you seeing any? It's a lot.
It's a lot of honey right there.
Look at this. So much.
Not a lot, but hang on, come here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Isn't that cut brood on this side? Take a look.
Is this plastic?
Yeah. Isn't that cut brood?
The darker is supposed to be capped, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
Eggs in it. There's a queen egg. Remember you were saying?
Where?
Right there, that they're on the little home side.
Here. You ready to loosen it up?
Yeah.
Oh.
About this or no?
No. Look at how dark that cap is right there. That's capped honey, right?
Honey's over there on the left. Kept brood.
Yep. Still. Oh yeah, there's babies in there. I can see them. Can you see it?
Yeah, let's see if we can spot the queen. Can you flip it? So she's marked.
Oh, with the green, right?
Yep, so she should, in theory, be good to see. Some kept honey over here.
Mm-hmm.
Kept brood. See the queen yet?
Nope, I don't. Let me check the other side.
Kept honey. Some brood.
This is so heavy.
See if we can find the queen.
Oh, they just fell off. A bunch of them did. I wonder if the queen was in there. That was our 1 week with having bees.
I think if it was spring, we'd probably be adding a super on there.
Okay. Because there's not a whole lot of...
It's over 80% full.
Yeah.
But because we're heading into winter, we would have to take the super off anyways, so that they could maintain their
Body temperature.
hive temperature.
Oh, hive temperature. Yes.
during the wintertime.
Yep. So we're not...
I think. I could be wrong and totally up for correction because we don't know diddly squat about bees.
And our bee mentors in Just Bee Farm told us a whole lot. We spent like 4 hours, almost 5 hours with them, and I can't remember everything they said. So
we're still learning.
yeah, very much so learning. Anyways, thanks for coming along with us on our first ever beehive check by ourselves.
With no gloves.
With no gloves. Anyways, thanks for coming along, and we will talk to you guys later.